good afternoon, boys.
Good afternoon.
What's up, Trey?
How we doing?
Not too bad.
Doing good.
What's going on today?
Well, before we put our stage 2 kit in, before we swap to a torque converter, I think it's only right that we establish a top speed with our DIY stage 1 kit. This setup that got us through that first Rascal video. Figure you can just jump in the red cart with Big Bob, get down on the street, grab some rollers, and then set up the GPS on my phone, and we'll see what our top speed's like.
All right, well, let's do that.
All right. You got a spare little tiny piece of gas tape? I'm getting covered in gasoline.
Looking good out there, my dude.
Thank you, sir.
How was it?
She moves, dude. It's fun. So, jeez. So we're just running into the governor at this point. I put a tack on it the other day, and it gets out to about 4,000-ish RPM, which these Tillotsons, we should be able to do twice that, at least 7,000. But we're waiting on stage 2 for that because we got billet flywheel coming, we got a sick hot cam, stronger valve spring, so this thing's gonna open up a lot more. But right now, we
have the results.
The results are in. 35 miles an hour.
Oh snap!
Nice round little number, not bad for.
Dude, that's moving on that little bike.
Yeah.
Right? Isn't that
Oh yeah.
fast on a little bike?
I'm getting used to it.
Yeah,
Yeah, right.
Red cart still wins.
For now.
For now. But I'm glad we established this first stage 1 top speed, because that's going to kind of give people a good idea of like what to expect when you step up to that next step. Popping the governor out of this is going to be a game changer, because I got throttle, and then it's just like no more, and it's just bouncing off the governor, and I'm just going like this.
Any prediction how fast you can get it with those modifications?
At least 50 miles an hour.
Jesus.
Because look, 35 miles an hour at 4,000 RPM. So if we can get this thing out to 7,000 RPM, 50 should be no problem.
Wow.
This thing is sick, bro. We got so many options with this. Next move, before stage 2 even, we're gonna do a street rod conversion on this thing. Throw some street tires on, slam it a little bit lower, and get this thing looking right. So that's gonna be a lot of fun. So definitely like and subscribe if you want to see that, because that's going to be epic. And more importantly, this thing's going to be going a lot faster in the near future, so you're not going to want to miss out. And Trey, What's the best way to not miss out on the new releases of Tyrannus videos?
Well, of course, the best way is to hit those notifications.
That's right. Well, cool. Is that it? Are we done here? Can I leave?
I think that's it, man. Let's just go send it some more.
Okay.
No arguments?
Huh?
No arguments there?
No, none.